a lot of resistance. Initially, we had something like, I think, 3,000 pay bills, you know. Now we have reduced the 3,000 pay bills to 1, so that we can have sight of government revenue. You may have heard the latest about school fees. Some of the monies paid by parents, for example, in boarding schools, because we provide resources for learning in all our primary schools and secondary schools. What parents pay is boarding fees and maybe lunch. We are insisting because we realize that there are illegal levies charged by boards of management of schools that go into accounts that nobody knows. Japan, their tax as a percentage of GDP is at 34.8%. In Kenya, we are at 15, less than half what it is here. If we have to develop our country, Kenyans must roll up their sleeves and develop their country. We are working on close to 15 different countries to sign a bilateral labor agreement with them. We have concluded some. In fact, we are concluding the one with Germany before June.